Severe tropical cyclone Alfred was a significant weather event that impacted southeast Queensland and the north coast of New South Wales in early March 2025. Originating as a tropical low in the Coral Sea on February 20th, it gradually intensified, reaching Category 4 status on the Australian Cyclone Intensity Scale by February 27th. The cyclone exhibited erratic movement, fluctuating in strength before making landfall on Moreton Island on March 7th as a Category 1 system. Overall, Cyclone Alfred's impact on infrastructure, utilities, and daily life was profound, with recovery efforts ongoing to restore normalcy to the affected communities. Upon landfall, Alfred brought heavy rainfall, strong winds, and widespread flooding to the affected regions. The Gold Coast experienced wind gusts up to 107 kilometers per hour, leading to extensive infrastructure damage and power outages affecting over 134,000 properties, including hospitals and the airport. Beaches suffered significant erosion, and the estimated damage costs are expected to reach billions.
That wind is so full on.
In Brisbane, the storm caused substantial disruptions, with approximately 300,000 properties losing power and communication services, including mobile networks and the National Broadband Network, NBN, being compromised. The State Emergency Service responded to over 6,000 calls for assistance, and evacuation orders were issued for areas like central Lismore.
Look out, mister. Look out.
Training right across there.
Our bedroom in 2 1 was pretty wild up here. not pretty low, it's very low actually.
The Bureau of Meteorology faced criticism for delayed warnings in regions like Hervey Bay, where unexpected rainfall exceeding 300 millimeters led to flash flooding and swiftwater rescues. Residents expressed concern over the lack of timely alerts, which hindered preparedness and response efforts.
Coming out of the ground. Holy! Get ready to rock. When I wave to, but he hasn't even seen it.
Did I just put that on video? Everything, like, just went dark. Wow. Like, all of these houses along here. This is so eerie. Did we just lose power? Okay, yep, we're out. I've got my torch ready to go. Gonna save my phone battery now since we don't have power and call it a night and see how it goes by the morning.